I'm at Lucky Plaza. This is in Orchard Road. So I'm going to explore the pubs in the dark secret of Singapore after dark. The time now is 9 p.m. So let's go. Here we go. This is the ground level, the first level. There's a shop here. Singapore souvenirs you can buy over there. You can see most of the shops are closed right now, but the fun will start at the upper level. So we're going to try find a lift. By the way, there are two ATMs here, UOB and OCBC. And the last shop here is in the plush toys at the trend now in Singapore. There's a massage shop at the ground floor. At level 2 now, there's a mini mart there. You look at it, it's like most of the shops are closed. Hey guys, it looks like most of the shops are closed, but I'm just going to try my luck. I think this is the only shopping mall in Orchard that has so many shops closed at 9-10 p.m. The fun actually starts here. This is level 3. Girls are waiting outside. There's a wig shop here. Hair salon. This is level 4. There's nothing here. Let's go up. I hear music now. Level 6, there are a lot of pubs here. Again, this is where the action starts. Level 6 here. Silver, then I can hear the loud music blasting and the girls screaming inside. And there's another pub right here, the Three Kings. Then the other one, the next one is Sabonua pub, I think it's from Philippines. And there's one more in the corner. Let's just check it out. The last pub we call the Firehouse Tavern. Alright, I found two other pubs. A Irish pub. This is actually the same pub name. And there's more pub with the blinking nuts. Let's check out. The Pirates Den. They're singing karaoke inside. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Good view from the lift. I think that's all to the action. Singapore doesn't have a lot of this kind of pubs anymore. But maybe it's good for the men. So they can do other things like focus on their career, families, friends and girlfriends. And outside, there's actually quite a number of shops, mini world. This way will lead directly to the Orchard MRT. And by the way, on the right side, the red color little building is a Tanks. It's been here for almost 30 to 40 years. Alright, I done my video here. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in my next video and bye bye.